Connect the power cord and plug into an outlet. Open the document cover. Insert the USB cable into the jack. Close the document cover. Pull the paper tray out of the machine. Open the paper tray cover. Press and slide the paper guides to fit the paper. Fan the paper. Load the paper with the printing surface face down. Gently adjust the paper guides. Check that the paper is flat in the tray and below the maximum paper mark. Close the tray cover. Push the paper tray completely into the machine. Open the ink cartridge cover. Unpack the black ink cartridge. Be careful not to touch the ink sensor chip. Insert the cartridge into the correct slot. Push until the ink cartridge locks into place. Install the other ink cartridges into the marked slots. Close the ink cartridge cover.